Let's go terrestrial.
Hi, say hi.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah. Say hi, Carmen. This shit looks scary as fuck, bro. Everybody in here recording, bitch. I'm gonna record.
Taylor, hold my hand.
So what's your verdict of Netherworld?
You know, they do their job, okay?
Do their job.
Because heart race. Heart is racing.
He was about to die.
We fell so hard, y'all.
We feel hard as shit. Oh my god.
We fell so it felt
got
nothing.
up. I don't feel nothing.
Like nothing. We feel like hard.
Hard. Like you heard it.
I know they was like
The ground shook.
Had to.
They had that bitch jumping tonight, boy.
What's your verdict?
My heart is still racing. My throat hurt.
Throat is on
My
10.
throat hurt.
Throat on
Bitch.
10 right now.
And Carmen ass left us.
Carmen is so pussy, bro.
She in the car. We finna get her ass
Right.
too. Oh, bitch, we should scare her. We gotta scare her.
Okay, listen. Carmen is pussy because she didn't come in the house with us. This bitch got like 5 feet in the house and punked out. So now we finna go scare her.
We finna her ass. We got a car on the ground.
I forgot.
Where's the fucking car? Where? Can she see us? Wait, where's the car? We gotta go to the back.
Run.
Where is she? That's what your guys get. And what I said, she gonna be on FaceTime.
Fatality.
So we are studying for our physics test tomorrow. I have a physics test tomorrow at 6 p.m. but I have to work from 2 to 8. So I'm studying, got notes, my crazy to-do list, notes. I'm over halfway through with like lecture notes. So I'm gonna do lecture notes. I'm gonna do homeworks, practice problems, and then do the test. So I'm gonna do a couple tests today, and then I'm gonna leave like maybe like 2 tests for tomorrow. But yeah, and then I have a tutoring appointment tomorrow too that's supposed to be helpful. So yeah, so prayers up for this test.
provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way.
Yeah.
And blushes. The lady was checking my bags. She's like, "You're so cute. I can tell you yawned." Even with your mask on. I'm so tired. But my terminal was a gate at 9.